Hello guys, this is Steven. Nice to see you again. Okay, today I would like to introduce you of a 10-inch monitor. Okay, so usually drivers use this 7-inch monitor on the vehicle, but some users will think that the screen is too small. Okay, so today we will introduce you of a bigger screen. It is a 10-inch IPS monitor. Okay, let's see this package. Okay, so let's see. Okay, a brief sees that this is much bigger. Okay, let's compare. Okay, the 7-inch and 8-inch monitor. Okay, and it is also with 4-pin collectors, so it can have power and video signals directly from the mobile DVR. Okay, look at this. Okay, so let's see the whole unboxing of these products to you. Okay.